Hi, hello, welcome to Bell English. So, India has become a digital country. So, you have everywhere a digital life is being established, and this is an opportunity with a company that break through the actual odds which India was facing in order to make it a digitally filled country. So, this is with Geo. Yes, Reliance Geo. So this is an opportunity open for everyone, irrespective of your education qualification, and if at all you got any previous experience, would also be an added advantage. And even if you don't have an experience, that will also be entertained here. There is no any specific qualities or qualifications being mentioned for this particular opening. So before we get into the details of this position, if at all you are a new viewer to the channel, please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and click the bell button next to it so that you will have regular updates on the new job postings in your inbox. Okay, so this is an opening where you have to work with Geo Fiber team, and the designation name is Home Sale Officer. So Geo Fiber, as you people know, it's the largest fiber provider in the country, and it has lot of products being introduced on the recent time, and they are open for the home based connections also. So that is why the ISP is actually looking for home sales officers. So if at all you have basic idea or someone who has experience or exposure on how to handle the customers, how to reach the customer, and how to complete the basic first set of formalities with the customer for a new connection, yes, this is the right place for you to get into Geo Fiber. So anyone who has that background with the ISP or DTH or FMCD or any other telecom wiring, so you can actually apply for this position. And even if you don't have such exposures, of course you can apply for this as well. So the major role for home sale officers are being mentioned here. You have to identify and prioritize the localities or the area for homes and micro segments. So where you have to project the product, you have to identify the region, and then you have to ensure accurate building attributes, mapping and updating in the system. You have to cover the localities, you have to prioritize them, and then you have to add them back to the system and acquire the building and permission as per specified norms. So you have to acquire the building permission. This is like covering entire coverage is being done, and you have to reach the places in order to get the permission and as per the specified norms. And you have to drive the customer engagement and communication campaigns with the customer so as to ensure your product reaches the customer and the customer is aware of your products and other benefits which you are providing as a service provider. And identify, acquire and onboard customer through CAF collection, it's basic common application form, and then DKYC, and that's a KYC which has to be completed with the customer, and the ORN generation for the registration. So once that is done, you will be all set. You have to make sure you identify the customer and then you onboard them, acquire them, and then do these prerequisites, the first set of formalities for them to get the new connections, and manage end-to-end customer life cycle. So you are supposed to manage it from end to end. So if you are convenient with the explanations provided, the opportunities is wide across all over the country. So it's spread across all over India. Anywhere in India you can apply. There are n number of openings being available here. So if you are interested in this opportunity with Geo Fiber, you are very well invited here to apply through this website. And they do have high speed internet, HD voice and TV video calling, TV plus, home networking, security and surveillance, gaming and much more through their fiber connectivity. So that's a complement, that's also complemented with disruptive, mind-blowing and best in industry plans. Okay, so if you, I mean, I've given this link in the description box through a website reference. You can access the link and you can open it for your application. So once you click open this website, so you have to go here and select it as submit interest. So once you click the submit interest button, you will be receiving this pop-up. So here you have to fill in your first name and your last name and your date of birth, and then your contact details, as in your email address, and then your mobile number and your previous company name, so where you were engaged. These are the companies which they have mentioned where you were engaged earlier, and then you have to select your role. What was the last job role you were performing? So once you are done with it, you have to submit the application. So as soon as you submit the application, you'll hear back from the team. So based on the applications shortlisted, you will be selected for this position. So you can very well apply for this, and you have a number of openings across. If you look at it like across India, it's with the Vadodara, and then Jharkhand, West Bengal, Karnataka, and then you have it from Delhi, and there are more number of positions across the country in different states. And again, it's in Tamil Nadu, Ramanathapuram, then Thoothukudi, and then Delhi, Erode, and Jharkhand, Kerala, Indore. Okay, so you have almost like 13 pages shown here. So Surat, and again Gangarampur West, again Karnataka, Trichy, Salem, West Bengal, okay, and then Madurai. So people are looking for so much of opportunities across the country due to this pandemic, and most of them have lost their existing livelihood jobs as well, and this is a right opportunity for them. It's there in Vrindachalam, and then Madhya Pradesh, Uttarakhand, and again in West Bengal, Pune. So these are the new locations. Pune and all we haven't seen earlier. And Jabalpur, Coimbatore, and then again mostly in West Bengal, then Punjab, Himachal Pradesh, okay, and then Maharashtra, then in Pune, in Jharkhand, Tirupur, Udaipur in Rajasthan. So you can select whichever location is suitable for you. You can select whichever you wanted, because you've got almost like 31 pages here across various locations being shown here. You can select whichever location you wanted, and then you can submit the interest along with your contact details and your previous experience, company details. So you'll hear back from the Jio team altogether. This is an ongoing hot opportunity which is open across the country. You can very well apply for this. So if you got any questions or queries, please let me know in the comment section. I'll be pleased to assist you on that. And if you like this video, do not forget to like it, and then share it with your friends. Give me a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and support the channel, subscribe to it, and so that you'll get regular video updates. So see you soon with another new job opening, and all the best guys. Take care. Bye.